Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be doing me some crochet braids, and the air I'm using is the Freetress Niagara braid air. This is the air, Freetress Niagara braid. This air is pretty much the same air as the Kima Braid ocean wave air, which is just the reason why I'll be mixing this up with some Kima ocean wave air. I do have a bag and half of this. This is the Freetress Niagara braid in the color, okay, what color do I have? In the color 1B. In the color 1B, I have a bag and half of this. Actually, is it a bag and half or two bags? Let me see. Put this back up because this one back here has been cut, so I have to be sure of how much hair I do have in here. Is it a bag and half or two? Okay, now this is okay, it's a little more than half a bag, so I think I used some bits of it on a client at some point. So roughly 2 bags of the Freetress Niagara braid in the color 1B, as well as some Kima Braid ocean wave air. Now this is the color Moonlight. This will be some highlights. Like, I had an old install of this one a couple of months ago. I have 3 bags of this, so I used 2 bags and a half for that style Kima Braid ocean wave in the color Moonlight. But now this bit here will be my highlight for this install I'm about to do now, so keep watching the video as I get started. And of course, as always, I'm going to be cutting my hair in half. I don't wear long crochet hair, so this goes in half cut. So this and this. So I'm just gonna quickly braid down my hair now before this blowout of mine shrinks again. I'm gonna do my braid down and prep the hair for my install, and then I'll get started. So keep watching. And now I have my hair all braided. As you can see, all of my hair has been braided, and the hair has also been prepped. The hair has been prepped already, so I'm just going to start crocheting my hair now. So let's get it started. Now I have about one bag in and I'm making some good progress. See? Slow and steady, it's coming up. So I'm gonna continue now. And so I just finished installing my air, and this time around I made sure to use all of the air. So this is it, the Freetress Niagara braid in the color 1B. I used 1 bag and half of that. And this interesting color you have right here is the Kima Braid Ocean Wave Air. It's half a bag, Kima Braid Ocean Wave Air in the color Moonlight. And still in the spirit of playing with color, I ended up sticking some bits of the color 1B30 of some Kima Ocean Wave in. Do I love this hair? Of course I do. It's my go-to style. Like, I love this style so much. Like, I can't even count the number of times I've installed this hair like this. I mean actually most often than not I use the Kima Ocean Wave, but it's just, you know, when you find something you really like, and then you stick with it. So this is my hair. I'm all done. So for the next 3-4 weeks I'm good on hairstyles. Like, hallelujah, hallelujah, because sometimes dealing with my own hair is a lot of work, but then it's just one of those things. Here's my style. I tried, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.